Hi everyone, my name is Kate. I also go by Katie. Either or is fine. I am, I believe, 2.5 years into my program now through Widener for my MSW. I'm also going for a homeschool visitor certification through the counselor education program at Widener. So right now I am a social worker for the Philadelphia courts municipal system. I help individuals who are either incarcerated. I do evaluations with them and get them into drug and alcohol treatment. I work with individuals through a divergent court program who are in need of drug and alcohol treatment due to possession charges or misdemeanor charges. And I also work with domestic violence defendants who have committed the crime of assault and help them get into therapy, anger management, and those types of things. So I'm kind of have different roles in different places. Through the pandemic, it's kind of evolved. In my past experience, I have been a family-based therapist where I have worked in homes of children who were at risk of being placed out of the home due to their behaviors or their family dynamics were toxic. Multitude of reasons why. I did that for close to 2 years in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. And then before that, I was a mental health case manager in Harrisburg as well, where I helped individual, or mainly children from the ages of 5 to 21, get the help that they need, whether that would be like schooling resources for IEPs or 504 plans or treatment, or I was just an overall support for the family if they were experiencing really difficult times. So my field placement prior to this, my general field placement was at a crisis center, which I really enjoyed, so that was fun. My goals for developing into a clinical social worker. So this is actually a aspect of social work that I do struggle in a little bit. When I was a family-based therapist, I enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it, but I knew in that period of time of my life, I had a lot to learn. So I have some experience in that, but I still feel like this is an aspect. In the clinical way, I can advocate great. I have got that down. And I can look for resources and I can do all of that, but the clinical aspect of it is where I really feel like I need to hone in on and learn a little bit more about. So I'm really looking forward to those opportunities, and I know that there's going to be some challenges coming my way. So I look forward to the readings and the videos and that kind of thing, because I think that'll be a great exposure to how to move forward and learning the different interventions. So I'm really excited for this course. I've been looking forward to it, and I hope everybody has a wonderful semester, and I can't wait to work with you. Thanks.